welcome to SUNY Coby News for the spring 2026 semester. I'm Lilah Stroud. This is a student-produced newscast staffed by communication students enrolled here at SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech. Thanks for joining us. Housing for the fall semester is now open. Incoming and continuing students who are first and second year are required to live on campus. Depending on your credits earned, you might not be required to live on campus, but you've still got that option. Students need to first complete the Coby housing application, which can be found under the Campus Life section of cobleskill.edu. According to those in the Residence Life offices, you'll get a system notification when you've turned in your application. It will then show up as being under review. Once that is approved, you can start browsing rooms and finding roommates that might be a good match for you. Actual room selection runs from June 1st to June 5th. The earlier you get your application in, the earlier choices you'll have in choosing your room. Registration for this fall opens soon here at SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech. The registrar's office is offering returning students some strategies to make course registration process easier for you. The class schedules are already listed under the registrar's area of cobleskill.edu, so you can plan ahead. You'll actually be able to register for classes beginning on April 6th. Before then, you should plan to meet with your advisor and get your alt PIN. Be prepared with a tentative schedule. You can check the day and time of your individual registration window by logging into BannerWeb. From there, you'll go to your student profile, then change the term to Fall 2026. Finally, select Registration Notices. Look for 3 green check marks and your registration time ticket information. A few tools to help along the way include reviewing your student profile page in DegreeWorks, making sure that you're reviewing the proper term in the college based on when you were first enrolled, and there's also a convenient college scheduler in BannerWeb too. If you're planning on taking any summer courses, register for those first. Also, if there are holds on your account, those can block your registration. Be sure to check BannerWeb first and take care of holds that might prevent you from getting ready for fall classes. If you can't get to today's blood drive here on campus, you've got other opportunities to donate in our area. The Red Cross blood drive here at SUNY Cobleskill Ag and Tech will be on June 18th in the Bauk Ballroom. You can schedule for your appointment ahead of time, which allows you to get prepared while also helping the Red Cross run more efficiently. Scheduling is easy. Visit www.redcrossblood.org. Enter Coby under the sponsor code option. These drives are made possible by the American Red Cross and the Campus Engagement Board here at SUNY Cobleskill. The June drive will also be set up in Bauk Hall. The Campus Engagement Board says that the blood drive events here on campus often exceed their goals, and they hope that these drives are no exception to that. There's more coming up. You're watching SUNY Coby News from the video production facilities here at the SUNY Cobleskill campus. Stay with us.
There are 16 million children struggling with hunger in America. That's 1 in 5 daughters, sons, neighbors, and classmates who don't know where their next meal is coming from. Yet billions of pounds of good food go to waste every year. It's time we do something about it. Feeding America is a nationwide network of food banks that helps provide meals to millions of kids and families in need. Visit feedingamerica.org to help them feed even more. Together, we can solve hunger. Together, we're feeding America.
The communication programs here at SUNY Cobleskill are helping to prepare the next generation of media professionals. You can help us do that by supporting the SUNY Cobleskill College Foundation. Your tax-deductible contributions help students gain real-world, hands-on experience in media content creation and journalism, just like what we're bringing you right here on SUNY Coby News. Your support helps us learn more about becoming media professionals who can serve you in the communication and agricultural communication programs offered here at SUNY Cobleskill. So it's finally nice out.
It is. It is finally nice out for once in upstate New York.
The sun is shining and it's beautiful.
It's great. Yeah, so right outside currently, it's about 44 degrees, super sunny out. It finally feels like spring in upstate New York. As we move into the later part of tonight, it's going to be a low in the lower 40s. It's going to be relatively cloudy, but still a nice warmer night in comparison to what we've had. Looking at the rest of the week, it's going to be a high 64, low of 34 tomorrow. It's going to probably be cloudy with a chance of rain later in the day. Friday, you're looking at a high of 39, but nice and sunny out with some clouds, mainly the sun later in the day. As we move into the weekend, Saturday, it's going to be a high of 31, relatively cloudy with a chance of some snow later in the day, making us all a little bit sad. As we go into Sunday, it's going to be a high of 46, partly cloudy and sunny, a nice way to start off the upcoming week. That sun kind of extends into part of early next week with highs in the upper 50s Monday. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday going to be some more rainy weather. Friday, a chance of sun as the weather finally begins to turn around. So it's looking like a wonderful spring ahead of us here.
Thank you, Noah, for that weather update. We'll be back with more news after these messages.
You're watching SUNY Coby News, live from the video production studio on the campus of SUNY Cobleskill. Stay with us.
When I was in foster care, I never knew when I would have to move, so I always had my suitcase ready to go. Then one day, I was adopted. My new parents opened their hearts and home to me. My parents cook my favorite breakfast for me every morning. My parents take me on trips I never thought I would go on. They gave me a home and an even better reason to use that suitcase. My parents aren't perfect, but they're perfect for me.
And welcome back to SUNY Coby News. I'm Lilah Stroud. Thanks for joining us. Hungry students and staff venturing into the Van Wagenen Library on March 25th will be in luck. The annual Mac and Cheese contest returns, bringing a wide range of styles for free to people to vote on and sample. Categories for this contest include Best in Tasting, Most Unique, and Cheesiest. The annual contest is open to everyone, on or off campus, and is held on the main floor of the library. The circulation supervisor, Dawn Fonlin, coordinates the contest each year. Library organizers say that the annual contest is just one way to let folks know about what's going on in the library. When you're looking to get involved on campus or in the Cobleskill community, we've got you covered. Let's look at these events coming up this week. On the 26th, the Institute for Rural Vitality is offering a 5-hour New York State driver's pre-licensing course. Saturday, April 18th, the Campus Events Board is sponsoring a bus trip to Boston. It's $20, and you can sign up in the Office of Student Leadership in Bauck Hall, room 209. Looking ahead to April 19th, don't miss the annual 5K Color Tiger Walk Run event. And on April 29th, Ag Engineering Club will draw the winners of the tool raffle to benefit student scholarships. You can contact any club officer and get your tickets. For more information about events on campus, check out the Coby Engage app and download the Cork app. That's all for this edition of SUNY Coby News, live from SUNY Cobleskill. I'm Lilah Stroud. We'll be back soon with another edition of SUNY Coby News, coming to you right here from the video production studio located on the second floor of the Van Wagenen Library building. For more information about the 2- and 4-year communication programs, along with the new agricultural communication program here at SUNY Cobleskill, visit www.cobleskill.edu today. Again, I'm Lilah Stroud. For all of us here in the SUNY Cobleskill communication programs, thanks for joining us. We'll be back soon with another edition of SUNY Coby News.